now that you have got selected, tell me, how do you feel and how your life has changed? So what are the subtle or big changes that you have started noticing?
My life has really changed. I feel a very big change in my life, all towards the positive direction though. In talking about the small changes that are happening, they're happening in my thinking. So I started feeling more responsible all of a sudden. For instance, the exam, the result came out on 23rd of May, and by about 24th or 25th of May, I started thinking about what are the things I would be saying in public, because then they would be able to make an impact. So till now I could have said anything which wouldn't even matter to a lot of people, but now whatever I say would also hold some weight, so I have to be extremely responsible that way. And I have become very busy. I would like to point that out. I mean, till now I was managing my masters, I was managing my hobbies, I was managing my studies for UPSC, and still I did not feel busy enough. But now I've started feeling busy. There are a lot of events that are happening. There are a lot of places you're being called to. There are a lot of places you yourself want to visit. Then you are talking to a lot of people. People are coming to you, and then these are the forms that you have to fill to be able to go to the foundation course. These are the assignments that you have to do. Then there are some
For the training, prepare and everything.
Yes, I feel busy.
And the life is going to be more busier than ever. Okay, very well, Ashna. It was really nice to talk to you.